Hey, hope you're well. Today's a big day for me. I'm going to be installing 8 NUCs in this yard. Just went up to Mountain Sweet Honey in North Georgia and picked them up this morning. They look great. I'm going to get those out in just a moment. Stay with me. Okay, now here's some of the NUCs. You can check these out. I just kind of set them beside each one of the boxes. I like to leave them here in the shade side for at least an hour. Now, some people do it all kind of different ways. You'll see a ton of ways they do it here, but I just open the little boxes, the little openings on the end, let them start flying around, acclimating themselves. But you'll see that on each one of these, same setup. Now I'm also going to be putting on a little bit of pollen patty into each one of them, so I've got enough for 8 of these. And then I've mixed up some sugar water, 1-to-1 mix. I'm going to put some of those on there, just enough for about a week, and then I'll pull that off. Okay, well here's the first nuke. There's 2 tabs right here. As soon as you pop these open, these bees are going to come pouring out of here. There we go. All right. Now, okay, and they even had a strip on it. Let me bump these down. I'm gonna bump them into the hive there. Doesn't hurt a thing. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the strip off they had, an old strip for mites or anything. All right, I want to be very careful getting this first one out of here. Watch out, little girl. There we go. All these are loose, and I'm gonna put them in the exact same order that I got them out. So not much in here. This one was a little bit light. I'm trying to see if I can see the queen as I go through. There's some honey on here. It was on the outside, so I see a couple of drones on here. See those big fat drone heads right there? Those are not queens. Those are drones. And so here's our first honey. I'm gonna stick it in here. Slide it to the outside. All right, get the next one. All right, now this is all brood. This is all brood, looks like velvet. All baby bees. Yeah, that's just a drone, okay? So, one of my buddies, Matt's here. He is learning beekeeping right now, so exciting. He's got some NUCs coming in the next few weeks. We'll set that in the same place, so we know we have a full frame of brood, which is good. We'll pull the next one. All right, more brood, and you can see there's actually eggs down in those that are already hatched. There's some pollen, red pollen and yellow pollen. Okay. I'm looking around just to see if I spot the queen, and if I don't, it's okay. Okay, plenty of time next time to deal with that. I'm just trying to set these into the box same way I got them, at least for this week. And I'm not going to mess with them this week, other than there's some brood, a little bit of honey, little bitty larvae. See all those larvae around the outside? See, they're not capped yet, but you see they look like little bitty worms yet. And so she's here, she's laying. All right, let's keep looking. We'll go through here. This is some more brood, so a couple of good frames of brood on this one. All right, and be really careful because your queen can always be on any one of these. A lot of people say that the queen's not on the outside. That's not what I have found. All right, lots of brood. Don't see any. She's in here somewhere. She's probably on this one right here. She's probably in here laying, or she's running around hiding one or the other. She's doing a good job, and I'm not even worried about it. We're just going to set this one, and we're going to try not to squash her whatsoever. So I'm going to set this. Now she could actually still be in that box down there. Okay, now there she is. Oh, no, that's a different one. That is a little wasp that came up. All right, watch out a little bit. Come on out of the way. There we go. All right, so now what I'm going to do is squeeze these together. Squeeze this up together here. I put some of last year's comb in here with it to speed them along. And then here's another frame that gets me my 10. And then what I'm going to do is squeeze the corners back together so that protect the bee space, keep it good and tight, hold things rack tight again. All right, and now I'm actually going to take this, and some people just leave it. I'm going to dump these bees right into it. Okay, it's just a little end that came off. All right, first box is done. Okay, just to encourage them a little bit more, I'm going to continue by giving them a little bit of pollen patty. And I'm not going to cover the middle because I am going to give them a little bit of feed. Now the pollen patty, you usually want that to go over the brood, but that's okay. They're kind of in the way a little bit. All right, let's leave it right there. And then what I'm going to do, take this queen excluder, put the queen excluder on it just like that. Take the lid, throw the lid on here, and feed that, fill that one. All right, got a little bit of feed going in here. I'm only going to feed them for just this one feeding, and then I'm going to pull the feed off of them at the end of the week. They just don't need any more. The nectar's starting to come out. That's, keep going just a little bit. All right, that's there's the queen right there. And this one, gorgeous. We're not going to mess with her. We're just going to doing her job. Put her in here. So even if we don't see them, the queen's in here. We just need to leave them alone. Good. Oh, that's great. There's the queen. How pretty. Okay, well, I got all the bees set. Looks like a little bit of rain moving in. I did it just in time. Appreciate Matt's help helping me put these in. Went great. Saw most of the queens, or saw a few of them. Didn't see them all, but hey, that's not important right this moment. I'm trying to just get them set, make sure that they're comfortable where they are. Hopefully I don't have any that move around on me. They shouldn't. Put a little pollen patty on them and a little bit of feed. You can hear some thunder in the background, so bees are super active. You can see them, they're just really going at it, and really happy with how we did today. So, all right, if you like, subscribe. God bless.